Understanding some SQL terminology. Before we move on to more demonstrations, let's first explain some SQL terms that are used by SQL developers and users and during this course. This will help you learn the SQL language and will also make more sense when you start working with it during and after this course. This is the statement from the previous lesson. We've used the word statement before. A statement refers to the entire code that you write to get a result. It includes a select keyword, the from keyword, your table, your columns, and any other words it will add, which we'll learn more about later. This is the statement here that we've highlighted. A keyword is a special word that's used by the SQL language. Some examples of those are the select keyword and the from keyword. It tells the database that you want to do something specific. It's usually entered in capital letters, as you can see here, to help readability, but it's not always entered in capital letters. It's just a standard and a best practice that people use. You can enter it in lowercase and it will still work. A clause is the keyword along with any words that come after it that the keyword needs. For example, in the select clause, it would include the word select plus the star or any columns. In this example, we've got the select keyword plus 2 columns, and that makes up the clause. The from clause includes the word from and any tables that come after it, as you can see here. A query is another word for the statement. They're often used interchangeably. And it's called a query because you're writing some code to ask something of the database, and then there is something shown to you. And finally, the result or the result set. This is the data that's shown to you after you run a query or a statement. It's shown down the bottom of the screen here, and it's shown in a tabular or table format. It will display your columns and any rows. So in summary, a keyword is a special word that SQL uses to do something, such as select. A clause is a keyword along with the data that it needs, such as select model ID and model name. A statement is the code that's run to get a result, which is the entire line here, and a query is the same as a statement. A result or result set is the data that's shown after you run a query or a statement.